Hi from Liguria, this is Luisa Puppo. We are in front of the wonderful Ligurian Sea and I'm in front of a wonderful dish of verdure ripiene, stuffed vegetables. Here they are. We mainly use not indigenous vegetables for this recipe. As you can see here you have peppers, bell peppers, as well as zucchini and onions, and all of them come from outside Liguria. You also see in this dish a very welcome element, protagonist of Ligurian cuisine, which is marjoram. Here it is, fresh marjoram, which gives our cuisine its peculiar, specific and amazing scent and flavor. The filling of this verdure ripiene can be either lean or more feature meat or prosciutto. In the first case, if you enjoy a vegetable filling, they are wonderful as an antipasto, as a starter, and this is the case. Otherwise, when they feature meat or prosciutto or mortadella, they are excellent as a main course. Anyway, whichever the choice is, they are at their best when baked and enjoyed with a good glass of white wine, Ligurian white wine, of course. So follow me throughout these videos and especially follow my Liguria by Luisa blog. Salute a tutti, ciao!